In this video, we're going to go over exactly how to install our brand new first generation Sequoia and Tundra fog lights. These lights are direct fitment plug and play, and they fit all years Sequoia between 2001 and 2007, as well as Toyota Tundras between 2000 and 2006. Now, in case you missed it, I have a whole nother video on exactly how I design these direct fitment lights. The video runs through the entire design process and everything I do to create these lights. It also features extensive at-night testing and driving tests, so check out the video in the card above. So to install the new fog lights, you first need to remove the original ones. Now to do this is very easy. You just have to get right up under the bumper. Now this little part right here is kind of a mud flap / fender liner type of thing. It's directly under the fog light on the front side of the bumper, and you need to remove these 3 screws. I'm using a drill with a 10mm bit, but you can also use a Phillips head or a 10mm ratchet. It doesn't really matter. These aren't in there too tight, so it should be very easy and quick to back them out. So once those 3 screws are removed, you pull back the flap and you have access to the fog light. Now sometimes you can get lucky and it'll come out with a slight wiggle, but usually you're probably going to have to use a screwdriver, which is what I'll show you now. So I'm using the screwdriver to create separation between the fog light peg and the little housing that the peg sits in. So I'm just putting it on the side there, getting it as close to the peg as possible, and kind of pushing sideways to create some space that allows it to wiggle out the front. I have one hand on the screwdriver getting it loose, and there you go, as you can see it pops out. Now that the fog light itself is loose from the bumper, all you have to do is unclip the wiring harness on the back of the light. It's just a simple push down and pull, and that removes the old fog light completely. Now it's time to install the new one. It is labeled the driver's side on the top, and all you have to do is plug it straight up. Make sure that the clip goes in. I have the red wire on the left hand side because it matches the red wire on the left hand side of the harness. Should just plug right up, very easy. And then you have to hide the wiring and just push it straight back into the slot. This does take a little bit of lining up. Again, you're going to want those 2 pegs on the side to match with the holes in the bumper. And that's it. So we're back under the vehicle looking up into the bumper, and as you can see, the black hole of the light is in the bumper, and also the wiring harness is fastened securely, and the light is not coming out when I push it, so that means we're good to go. Moving to the other side, I went ahead and got the light loose, again by removing the 3 screws on the bottom of the mud flap, pulling it back, and then wiggling the light loose. So that just comes right out, and then we grab our new one and plug it right in. Red on the left, it should just snap right in. And then from there we can guide it into the bumper, put the wires back there. Now I found something helpful to do is to put one hand up under the bumper through the mud flap hole and kind of help guide it in there. That way it sits in the bumper correctly. And that made it a lot easier in the long run. Now we're back up in the bumper, just double checking everything again. As you can see, the peg is in the hole in the bumper. It's not going anywhere, it's in there securely, and also the wiring harness is wired up correctly. So that is pretty much it. The direct fitment and plug and play make the installation super easy. Now all you have to do is reattach the mud flaps on the bottom using the same 3 screws, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's how to install the fog lights. Hopefully you guys found this quick and easy, and if you haven't picked up your fog lights yet, you can check out the link in the description of this video or trailrunnercustoms.com.